Why do I think real estate and mindset go hand in hand? Because they do. If you're not in the right mind frame, if you're not really thinking about your investments and your financial future and establishing your financial roots, it doesn't matter how many times I tell you what a great investment real estate makes. I can show you stats, numbers. I can show you all the things I've done. I can show you portfolios that others have done. I could show you lending portfolios that I've lent on, areas to go and invest in, introduce you to contractors, developers, appraisers, you name it. But if you aren't in the right headspace to actually want to improve your life, to actually want to invest in yourself and invest in real estate, it doesn't really matter. So if you're sitting there thinking, well, I'm not worth it, or I can't, or I don't know how, or it's overwhelming, we need to stop there. Let's focus on that. Let's solve for that first. So then when the information is given to you, you can not only absorb it, but make the best decision for you. So as we look at our life, as we look at our business, as we look at our family, as we look at where we want to go, let's answer some basic questions. What am I trying to accomplish? Where am I feeling comfortable with my investments? What do I want my life to look like? What are the things that I need to do to get there? How much money am I making today? How much money am I going to make tomorrow? And if those questions make you feel like real estate is a possibility, then dive in. Don't let the voices, don't let the nerves, don't let the feeling of it's this big and scary stop you. There is so much opportunity out there today for people willing to look for it, for people willing to say, okay, I want to play in this space. I'm really going to do it. But until they want it, it's overwhelming. So I encourage you today, let's get our head on. Let's really think about all of the things that we're discussing right now, how we can apply that into our life, and how does that translate into our financial portfolio. So that means we have to let go of the fear of making money. We have to let go of the fear of losing money. We have to let go of the feeling of unworthiness, that we're not capable, that we can't, that we're stuck. All of those things have to be put in a box to the side. You decide what you want to do with them. I know for me, leave them there. Whatever your decision is there, but at least be aware that those are the thoughts holding you back. Let's call a spade a spade. If those are the thoughts you're having, that's what's holding you back. If the thoughts can shift to, I am worthy, I do deserve financial freedom, I work very hard and I deserve to get paid for it, I deserve to have the best possible investments ever, I can go out and figure this out, I can seek the right help, I can make good investments, all of a sudden your thinking opens up, and I guarantee you, you're going to start seeing opportunity in places you never would have thought before.